Training Tuesday here at Baxi Training Centre Warwick. My name is Lance and here's your Training Tuesday tip. Today I want to show you a quick way how to access and understand our error codes using the Baxi Toolbelt app. So, if like me you have an error code on your boiler, first identify what the code reads. Next, open the Toolbelt app and click on the Error Codes button. Next, we need to input the boiler we are working on, the brand, range and type, and finally put in your error code and click Get Result. You will then be presented with a results pop-up box that you can use to help you understand the problem. Thanks for watching. Join us every Tuesday for more training tips.